Hello my lovely internet friends and welcome back to my channel. Holy cow, holy guacamole, it's been a long time since I've been able to say that, but I am officially back, and yes, I know, I say that all the time. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have been away from it for a while. You probably haven't noticed. I definitely have because I really miss y'all. I've been having a lot of big life changes, so I really mean it. If you are interested, follow me on Instagram. If you're not, totally cool. Doesn't matter because either way, I'm gonna be back on YouTube. Anyways, today I thought what a better way to come back to YouTube than to come back during my favorite time of year, aka Sephora sale season. So I thought I would do something fun and spicy and film a shop the Sephora sale with me. I have my laptop right here and I'm ready to do some damage. 100% inspired by Miss Jamie Page Beauty, aka my queen, my inspiration. As you can see, I'm a genuine huge Jamie Page Beauty stan. I have all her stickers like all over my water bottle. Love Jamie Page doodles. Also a stan. It is a little bit late in the game. It's April 15th and the sale ends the 19th, so let's pray that things are in stock. I have my eye on a lot of really amazing goodies. Without further ado, if you're interested and want to go shopping with me, let's get to it. Let's go shopping, friends. So first thing on my hit list is 100% this new Rare Beauty palette I have had my eye on. I basically buy everything from Rare Beauty, so it's a no-brainer. I'm just gonna start by like going for the things that I had already had on my wish list, and then after that we'll look around. But anyways, so I added the Rare Beauty palette to my basket. That was 100% like probably the top thing on my wish list. I was really happy that it was announced to be released during the sale. What a lovely queen we have. Thank you, Selena. I feel like it's a really pretty everyday neutral palette, and that's kind of my jam, as you know if you follow me. I just love natural makeup, and then this shade in the center looks so gorgeous. Queen, a beautiful queen. Look at that. So yeah, I'm definitely buying that palette because I want to be Selena Gomez. And in addition to that, they also released an eye primer, so I definitely want that. I did already make one sale purchase, but it was honestly a lot of boring things like restocking skincare and all these other necessities. It wasn't really like fun sale haul. The one thing I did buy that was new was the new pore diffusing primer. I'm excited for that because as you see, your girl is... You guys know the gist. I'm a combo skin girl. It's getting greasy already in my area, so I'm excited for that pore diffusing primer. Hopefully it's as good as the Tatcha Silk Canvas. We'll see. So anyways, as I was saying, they also released an eye primer, so I'm going to get that in addition to it. I am really excited to test this out with their new eyeshadow palette, so adding that to the cart. So let's just keep going. Something I was really interested in was the new Kosas brow products. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but like the packaging is gorgeous. It's this very pretty purple transparent type of packaging. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the early 2000s, but like the early 2000s in 2021. So reinvented and just really pretty. I honestly haven't used an eyebrow pencil in a long time, so I'm probably gonna go for the eyebrow gel, and the ratings look pretty good, which is exciting. Let me see. I think it already selected medium brown for me, which is probably my shade. Medium chocolate brown. I will go with the neutral. I'm gonna go with the neutral medium brown. Also this packaging, I mean, it is stunning, y'all. Does it not just transport you right back to the early 2000s, but like in the best way? I love this clear custom packaging. I feel like also that was really expensive for them to do this. So I just love how much they invested into this line. You can tell there's a lot of thought put into it. I'm adding that to cart. And I've also just been really loving Kosas in general. One of the other products I bought in my little mini Sephora sale haul, the Cloud Set powder from Kosas, I got that 100% because of Jamie Page. I got the shade Feathery, if you guys are wondering, and it's already out of stock, so good thing I did buy it ahead of time. Let's just keep looking. I'm excited about that brow gel. I just really wanted something in that beautiful packaging, not gonna lie. So what else was on my hit list? Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand called Say. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I was really interested in their Dew Blush liquid cheek blush, and their aesthetic is really pretty. I believe they're also a clean beauty brand. Yeah, they have that Clean as Sephora stamp. I know a lot of people that I watch enjoy this blush or also picked it up. I love me a good liquid cream blush. I'm sad because Poppy is out of stock. It's to be expected. I really would have loved a shade like Poppy, especially like now in the spring. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Just looks so nice on her and really brightens up the complexion. Dreamy actually looks really pretty. I don't really like berry shades, but I was hoping for something more dusty. I think I will go with Rosy. Rosy looks like totally a shade up my alley. I hope it's not too light, but I really just want to try out the formula. But yeah, Rosy looks pretty. I'm gonna pick up the Rosy shade. And I'm going through this really fast, but it's because I already had in my mind that I wanted to try out these products, so. I also, by the way, in my haul that I was talking about, I picked up the Eavesdrop by Fenty because I heard a lot of amazing things about it. And it looks right up my alley. For a long time, I didn't try any Fenty complexion products because I just don't really like heavy makeup and like full coverage. But this is a light skin tint and I heard amazing things about it from Jamie Page. I know I talked about her so much in this video, but I heard amazing things about it from her and multiple other YouTubers that I watch. So that's why I got that. I got it in the shade 5, by the way, if you were curious. I had other things I had my eye on. Let me try to think about this. Oh yes, Melt Cosmetics. So I saw on Morgan, okay, everything's out of stock basically. Quick update, I have since secured the goods. I saw on Morgan's story, Morgan Turner, my girl, my queen, that these are really good and they're worth the hype. So I was really interested. Would have loved Golden Hour. Golden Hour looks like a shade that's right up my alley. I would have loved that, but it's sold out. It's beautiful. These are apparently all the hype. I'm really interested in these. I love the concept of combining blush and highlighter. You guys know I love a glowy cheek moment. So yeah, I'm really sad. The only one left in stock is Lynx. It's a little too golden-y for me. It's a lot more of a highlighter and I definitely wanted a blushier color, so I'm probably not gonna go for it. I'm really interested in Golden Hour and Sandy Cheeks and Honey Thief. Those are definitely the most interesting shades to me. Sandy Cheeks. We love her. We stan. Really sad. That was one of the top things on my list as well. Let's just get back to it. What else was I interested in? Let me go into my hearts. Okay, let me just talk you guys through this. So I picked up this little trio. I really like the eyeshadow trios from them, and I picked up this trio in the shade, this one, the 01 Butter Up, and I have been using it non-stop. It's actually what I'm wearing today, and I really, really love it. The bronzer is so beautiful. It's like a gorgeous, warm, toasty shade. The bronzer is a cream bronzer, which I love for the summer. This is just so great for travel, and yeah, I've been using it non-stop ever since I got it. I love every single shade in this first trio. I'll do a review on it because I was definitely gonna do a collective haul. Yeah, it seems like they're getting good reviews. I'm gonna add my review because I really love it. The bronzer was just the perfect tone, and it really just made me feel so nice and juicy for the summer. It was creamy, but it wasn't like too greasy. So that's my little mini review on that. I also picked up the Patrick Ta Major Sculpt Bronzer Duo. I have not tried that yet because, again, I've just been so on the Kaja trio. I don't know why I'm out here buying all these cream bronzer products thinking I can use them. But just if you're interested, I got the second shade, which is She's Sculpted. I was between that and She's Statuesque, but the kind Sephora lady told me that she thinks the second one would be better on me and that it would show up more, which is a good point because, you know, these things blend out. So let's just keep looking. I was interested in a lot of other things. Why is it escaping me now? Oh yes, I really wanted the brow freeze. Okay, it's out of stock. I'm not surprised by this being out of stock at all. It's so viral on TikTok. I really wanted to try the brow freeze because I love everything like feathery brows. Brow freeze is totally out of stock. I was interested in this NARS palette. It looked pretty. I've actually really liked my NARS palettes in the past, but now that I'm looking at it again, there's a lot of shimmers. And like, I buy these palettes, but who am I kidding? I will mostly use these two matte shades right here. I don't know. I know it's like kind of basic, and NARS has gotten a little basic and a little bit boring when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. It's pretty, but I don't need it. I don't know. Let's look at the reviews. Okay, also I'm dying because I saw Morgan's video and she said that this looked like a butthole. This NARS Summer Solstice bronzer. Also, sorry. My ADD has come out. If you can't tell, I am a Gemini and I like to jump from subject to subject, from conversation to conversation. So sorry about that, but I just wanted to say real quick that Morgan brought up that this looks like a butthole and I can't unsee it. So thanks for that image. Anyway, so I wanted to see reviews, but there don't seem to be any reviews for this palette. Soft powder and consistency, but NARS is known for high pigmented. Okay, I'm biased a bit, are we? It looks pretty, but I'm gonna wait for reviews. I love that bronzy shade. So far I only have 4 things in my cart, which is honestly very good for me. Let's see what else. Oh, I know. There is something I wanted to try from Dior. I heard very good things about their powder from Morgan and a few other YouTubers. Okay, of course, so many shades are sold out. I think I heard it ran kind of dark. This still looks kind of deep to me, even though it's shade 2. I don't think I can buy this, but I was very interested in this powder. I like anything called no powder powder. I already bought the Kosas powder, to be honest, so I don't know who I think I am or why I'm doing that, because it doesn't matter. I already bought a powder. Okay, these Watermelon Glow Niacinamide drops. I heard so much about these from TikTok. They're going very viral. I don't really know what they even are, so let's look into it. A breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy reflective glow. That sounds lovely, and it seems to have a ton of good reviews. Again, I've seen this so much on TikTok and I still to this day had no idea what it did, so good to know. So this product does exactly what it says. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and glowing. It works great with all my other skincare products. Perfect for wearing under makeup. We stan. I honestly have not used much of Glow Recipe since their watermelon sleeping mask, but I know that a lot of YouTubers I watch are obsessed with their stuff. Like Kathleen Lights really likes their pineapple serum. So I don't know. I'm pretty interested. People really seem to like it. Now my only question is like, do I want the full size? I mean, her skin looks amazing. I mean, that definitely looks like a sponsored picture, like the way she's putting it with the products. Maybe I'll try it. I have not bought from Glow Recipe in a while, so you know what? Why not? Speaking of skincare, there are other skincare goodies that I wanted. I heard a lot of good things about the Summer Fridays vitamin C. I really love me a good vitamin C serum, so I'm pretty interested. I usually am pretty weary about just purchasing a bunch of different skincare, and I like to stick to my routine because, you know, my face could have a reaction, but vitamin C serums have been pretty easy with me. Like, I usually haven't reacted too badly to them. I heard that this is so good that you notice it like overnight, so I'm pretty interested. I'm just gonna add it. I like to edit myself at the end. Let's go into the new section because I'm kind of forgetting what everyone's been talking about. Ceramide Redness Relief Serum. I mean, that sounds really interesting too, but again, I haven't tried much from Glow Recipe, so Fenty came out with new gloss balm shades, so that's exciting. Ooh, I love this moisturizer, and I didn't know they have a vitamin C version, so that's cool. That's really pretty packaging. You know, something I've wanted to pull the trigger on for a long time is the Gucci bronzer, but I'm gonna stop because I got a lot of bronzers actually. That was a really low rating for that Brow Freeze applicator. I'm sorry, by the way, if you hear my laptop breathing. NARS released a cream bronzer. I was interested because I heard that the formula was really good, and it's all sold out. I really wanted to try the bronzers out during the sale, so I'm a little sad that it's out of stock, but to be expected. Okay, I know what else I wanted, and this might be the last thing. Tower 28 released new shades of their blushes, and I actually really like their Beach Please balms. Please don't be sold out in the shades I want. They are. So I have Magic Hour and Golden Hour, but I really wanted Rush Hour. Like, that is so yummy. Look at that. Gorgeous. Peachy Dream. That was the one I wanted, but like, who's surprised? I also am actually very interested in Power Hour. Actually, this might be more my shade, so maybe it's okay. Definitely adding this to basket. I love terracotta bronzy shades. I've already talked about that, but just putting that out there again. It looks beautiful. I was really excited for the new shades. Rush Hour color is very pretty. I know, like, in the past I had a little bit of issue. The cream would move around a little bit, but I still really want to try the other color. I don't know why I do this to myself. I just really like dewy light makeup in the summer, and sometimes when it moves around I'm like, whatever, you know? At least I still look fresh and dewy. So maybe in that way it's okay. Oh my gosh, not that butthole bronzer again. I think I'm good, honestly, but I did run out of my Gisou hair oil, and that's something I really wanted again. And I actually bought the smaller size, but now I definitely want, like, I bought this one, I think, mini. Now I definitely want the full size. It's so good, guys, and I really have missed it after I used it up. So I'm probably just gonna get the big boy. I got the 1.7 size last sale, but I think I'm gonna go for it. That juicy big boy. So I'm gonna do it. I think I'm good. Anyways, I just want to go down Kosas real quick. One more thing that I wanted to add was actually the liquid eyeshadow. I didn't know it won an Allure award, but Jamie Page always talks about the eyeshadow in the shade Globe. Please don't be the shade Globe that's sold out. It is. Of course, it's out of stock, but she was raving about how pretty that shade was, and I love one and done type of eyeshadow products. I love that it's called the 10-second liquid eyeshadow. I love the Rare Beauty one, I love the Glossier one, and I just love these type of things in general. So it has like 197 reviews and 3.7, which isn't great, but Jamie Page really loves it, so.
I saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
I don't know. I still want to give it a try. Copper Halo looks really pretty. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Stunning. Copper is usually my type of shade anyways. I'm gonna go for Copper Halo. I'm getting it. That was the one last thing I wanted to add, and then I will go in and edit my cart. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my little shop with me. I hope you had fun online shopping with your girl. It was very therapeutic after the week I've had. I really needed this, so thanks for tagging along. Let me know if you like this type of content. I will 1000% be filming a haul as soon as I get all of my new products in. I'd love to give you guys a more thorough review and just show you all the goodies I bought. I hope you guys are still interested in seeing me and chatting with me. I am so sorry it's been so long. It's just been really hectic, but no more excuses. Your girl is back, and I'm so excited to just be uploading more and chat with you guys in the comments more. So please do leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are eyeing in the sale or what you've already bought from the sale. Just let me know your hauls. I love hearing what everyone bought. I'm always very curious, and it might spark some more last minute impulse purchases on my part. So definitely leave a comment about what you got. Also, if y'all want to stay connected, I'll drop my socials down below, my TikTok, my Instagram. I really missed y'all. I'm so happy to be back to YouTube. I love y'all, and I can't wait to see what everyone bought from the Sephora sale, aka the best time of the year. Okay, bye. Love y'all.